Today we are kicking off our second new series of the month. So we shared our Crafternoon series last week, and then this week we're sharing our new 5-minute craft series. So the first Friday of every month we're going to be sharing a quick 5-minute craft that you can do. So I'm big on thrifting baskets lately for basket walls or just for decoration, and a lot of times they're great colors, but occasionally I do find one that's too yellow or orange for my style. And so I decided to try to stain them to see if I could get some of the yellow ones and then bring them into more of the color scheme that I have for my other baskets. So today's project is exactly that. So I stained this basket, it was super orangey yellow, and then I stained it with a darker stain so that it would go better with the furniture that I have in this room, and it worked perfectly. It's super easy and quick. So I'm going to take this yellowy orange basket, and I'm just going to add some wood stain to it with a clean rag, and then I'm going to let it dry and then probably do one more coat.